Hello everybody. So I have a little bit of a problem today. We have a faucet here. It does not match this, does not match this, and does not match this. So today we're going to be replacing it with the premium 2024 Phoenix faucet from Valterra. We got it in brushed nickel, so it'll match. And if you can see here in a short moment, we're going to take this out and then we're going to be replacing it with this one. We'll be back here in a moment. We installed some shut-off valves. They're 3/8 inch shark bite shut-off valves that we've installed below. Okay, to make this install super simple, we bought two connectors, one with a 1/2 inch end and the other with a 3/8 inch end that we can hook on here very simply and hook it to our shut-off valves down below. So now we have the 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch connectors on.
And so we're going to go ahead and get it dropped into position.
Okay, so now we're going to secure it to the sink with the rubber washer, the metal washer, and the lock nut. So now that we have all of our connections made under the sink and our faucet tightened down, we now have our beautiful Valterra Phoenix faucet installed. I'm going to have you take a quick look. So this faucet has two settings, regular, spray, and if you look right here, this is power boost, so it's a little extra. You press this and you get more flow for better cleaning. So now that we have this new faucet installed, everything matches.